If you are having a tree removed, consider adding our stump grinding option, which will remove the stump so your yard is ready for your next project. If you decide to have your stump ground, first you will need to select between our below grade and deep and wide options. With below grade, the stump will be ground out approximately 4 to 6 inches below the surface of the soil, which is suitable for most projects. With deep and wide, the stump will be ground approximately 14 to 16 inches deep and as wide as needed, which is recommended if you intend to plant a tree near the same spot as the previous tree. Stump grinding creates a large amount of debris that consists of a mixture of heavy and dense wood shavings, dirt, and rocks. If you prefer to have this debris removed, consider our Grinding Plus Cleanup or Grinding Plus Stump Restoration options. With Grinding Plus Cleanup, the shavings above ground level will be removed to match the ground of the surrounding lawn area. With Grinding Plus Stump Restoration, all stump shavings above and below ground level will be removed and fresh topsoil will be placed on top and evened out with the surface. All you will need to do is sprinkle grass seed and water. With time, it will be like the stump was never there. Following the removal of your tree, our stump grinding specialists contact the Ohio Utility Protection Service, or OOPS, to mark the location of utility lines that may be under or near the stump. Soon after OOPS completes their work, our specialists will grind your stump while ensuring your utility lines are not damaged during the process. For questions or concerns regarding stump grinding, your certified arborist will be able to assist you in determining which service is right for you.